Hey guys, welcome back to Katelyn's Cooking. So today is not really a homemade thing, but I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite cake mix brand, which is Betty Crocker. I think Betty Crocker is really good. Like, their cake is super soft. I can't believe it. But the ingredients are pretty simple. So let's go to the ingredients. So you can find the ingredients on the back of the box. It says 1 cup of water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs, but instead of putting water, we like to put milk. So what we have here is 3 eggs. I already cracked them, 1 cup of milk, and some butter, like a few sticks of butter. It will tell you on the back, so you don't really need to worry about like the measurements. But so first, what you want to do is mix your eggs. Okay, so once you've beaten your eggs, you want to slowly add your cake mix in. I'm going to add your cake mix in. And I'm going to put that to the side. And you're going to get your milk. So I warmed my milk a little bit, so I would prefer to do that. So there we go. And now my mint butter. Okay. Now first, instead of actually turning your mixer on, I would first kind of mix it around normally, because like the mix is super powdery and you don't want to really get that mix all in your face and stuff, so that's why. Your batter, you want to preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I've done to my pan is I used parchment paper. I put it on the outline, so we cut it out, and we have butter around the sides of the pan. So once you're done with that, you want to pour in your batter into your pan, okay? So if you have any excess batter, then you can put it in another pan. So kind of slowly. You don't want to put too much. Sorry if you can't see it. So once you put your batter inside your pan, you want to kind of shake it around so it can kind of move and tap it a little bit. And if you want to make it even tastier, you don't have to, but I like to add cashews to my cake. So I'm just going to kind of add the cashews on top. I'm going to do it in a circle. So, you don't have to make it in a design, and if you want, you can add raisins, but I don't really like raisins, so I won't add them. I'm using half cashews, but you can use full cashews. So this is how I like to arrange my cashew nuts right here. When your oven is done preheating, you may put your cake inside. We're just gonna wait for 20 minutes for it to bake. Now that your cake is baked, you want to check if it's fully baked. To do that, you want a toothpick, and then you're just gonna poke it, and then figure it out. And then if it's clean like this one is, then that means your cake is ready. So I'm just gonna put my cake over. Wait. I'm gonna take this out. Now I'm gonna put it back. There you go. So instead of using oil, I used a half cup of butter, melted butter. Now I'm going to cut it and eat it. Hold on. This is soft. It's so good. See you in the next video.